Uncle Mike 392, and I'm out here at the Forest Park Police. And he said I can film his car. He even put the lights on for me. Appreciate you, brother.
No problem.
So, let me get this car. You know, a whole lot of people gonna know this. Forest Park. They probably gonna leave me some hate mail. That's okay. All right, here we go. We're going around. I got the lights on too. It's a Dodge Charger. That's right. This is where I am, right out here, Forest Park Monastery. So let me get a wide angle of this car. So if you guys see this car behind you, you're in trouble. I got permission to take a video of it, put it on my YouTube channel. All right. This is Uncle Mike 392, and I'm out. Late.